So like you see, okay, my hair is about this long. You see that reverts, right? This side is kind of, it's not going back up. Okay. See, it doesn't really do anything. I'm scared, y'all. And welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Today I am going to wash out my silk press. The spray reverts. I don't think it will, but the spray reverts, and let's go. Okay, so this is the shampoo that I'm going to use, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was like super nervous at this point because like, what if I have heat damage? What if my hair, it doesn't shrink back up? I'm gonna have to cut it all off. Like, my mind was going everywhere, but it slowly transitioned. You know, it slowly did its thing. I rinsed it for a while just to kind of see how fast it would do it, but understand with like heat protectant and everything weighing it down, it was going to take a minute. So I rinsed it for a while, and then I'm gonna get into the shampoo and we will see how this goes. Yes, baby, shrink on up. Do y'all see it like slowly coming back? You know, okay, I'm happy about it. But it was interesting, like feeling it slowly shrink up, and I was looking at the looking at my hair in the beginning, like, yes, slowly come back. But I washed my hair like 3 times, y'all, to make sure I got all of the heat protectant off. All of whatever they put on, I made sure I got it off because I wanted my hair to be nice and clean so it can soak up my deep conditioner. But yes, so keep watching, and you see it's pretty much at its shrunken state right now. That's how short it will get. But the transformation is crazy, y'all. But keep on watching, keep on watching. Okay, so going in for drying, I use just a random towel. I place it on top of my head. I don't scrub or rub. I just soak up the excess water from my deep conditioner, which will be 3 tablespoons of oil and 3 eggs, my DIY conditioner. And you just use 1 egg per 1 tablespoon of oil. It's that simple. So you can use how many eggs you want. I just use 3 to cover my whole head. And you just mix it together until it's really creamy. And
I apply it to my head in sections.
Boo. Ooh, okay, so I see my curls, but of course it looks a little different. I think it's gonna take a couple washes for it to get back to normal. Oof. Like, all my shape is like, don't know what happened. Like, I still have my curls down here. But we're gonna do a deep condition and see how this all looks at the end. So my deep condition I'm gonna do is an egg and olive oil mask. I'm gonna do it in sections because I want to detangle as I go. I dried my hair just a little bit so it's not soaking wet. Like, it's still dripping down my back right now. So it's not soaking wet, and so the egg and oil can get into my hair and my scalp. That was easy to detangle. Okay. This is gonna be so messy. Start at my ends and work my way up. Some more. Did not think I'll comb it through. Now you can still tell it's really loose, but hopefully that changes because my hair is extremely tight in its natural state. Extremely. I just got egg in my sleeve. Oh. So I'm gonna do this over my whole head. Apply it to my ends, roots, my scalp. And then I'll be back with how I'm going to heat treat it, basically. I don't have a steamer yet, but I bought this heat cap. It's kind of like hot heads, but another version. So we're gonna put that on. So I'll be back after I apply this to my whole head and we'll see how it's looking.
Okay, so this is the cap I was talking about. It stayed warm for about 15 minutes. You heat it up for 85 seconds, but I just reheated it twice. It's really no big deal to me. But I really liked it, and I got it off of Amazon.
All right, so I just washed out the egg and oil mix. Oh, yeah, my hair feels so soft. Well, at least we got one good girl. I got a trim too, and I got it straightened, so my shape is probably going to be off. And we have egg. Oh. Ugh. I'm so glad my hair is back. Like I said, it's probably going to take at least one more wash because your hair, why does that look red? I mean, your hair was straight for, my hair was straight for like 2 weeks. So let's get back to being curly. I'm going to spray some aloe vera on my scalp. Y'all look crazy, I'm sorry. And then I'm just going to twist up my hair into my mini twist like I always do, just to let it rest and probably for a couple weeks. I'm just leave it like that. And then we'll see where I go from there. But I don't see any like really loose strands. So I really don't think I have damage. I think it's just gonna take a minute for my hair to remember, like, oh yeah, we're curly. But I will keep you guys updated. And this was, like I said, my first silk press in 2 years. Massage that in. Let me get the back. And the cap, I know I mentioned earlier, but I got that off of Amazon, and it actually works. Like, it got warm. It doesn't stay warm for like 30 minutes, probably like only 15 minutes to be honest. So you just have to heat it up again, which is no big deal. This part of my hair has always been really loose, so I'm not worried about that, and have feeling it'll shrink back up to where it's supposed to be, especially once I twist it and get them used to being back in that hairstyle. The back, let's see. Yeah, honestly, my hair always looks like this when it's wet, so I believe it's good. Well, guys, thanks for coming with me on my wash day after silk press to see if my hair will revert back. And I believe it was really cool watching it and feeling it while I was washing it, like slowly shrink back up. I really like that. But like I said, I'm gonna style it, do my mini twist. I may show you after, I may not, depending on what time it is. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, and follow me on my journey as I get rid of all this egg in my hair. Follow me on my journey, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I decided to come back for y'all just to show you the twist out and to show you something I noticed. Okay, so I left this side down for a reason, because of how loose it is. My hair usually isn't this loose when it's in twist, and I'm going to show you and compare. First of all, this side, this is usually how short it gets, but this is how short it got, and it's this section. And I'm gonna put my hair down. Okay, so like you see, okay, my hair is about this long. You see that reverts, right? This side is kind of, it's not going back up. Okay. See, it doesn't really do anything. I'm scared, y'all. But like the back, I think everything is kind of normal. Like the back, I don't see any changes in the back. It's just this section right here. Like these 4, or was that 5? Yeah, 2, 4, 5. These 5. I mean, I wish my whole head would be long like that, you know, in my twists and not shrink up, but it's those 5. So y'all, let's pray that over the couple days, my next wash day, that it shrinks back up like the rest of them. I didn't think I would ever say I want my hair to shrink back up in my twists. So yeah, I mean, that's it for now. Let's hope it's not heat damage, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like the bottom still curls up. Well, at least this one. Like I don't have any problem with it wrapping around each other, you see? So y'all, let's pray it's not heat damage, and let's see how it does on the next wash day. All right, peace.